Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Vince Abache, and I am accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo kayo update ko sa construction ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay po. Hello po, sa kamusta po kayo? So ito right now, ngayon nandito ako kay Prisma Residences. So i-update ko kayo sa construction natin kay Allegra Garden Place. So as of July 2024, we're on nasa 83% na tayo completion, and I think right on schedule pa rin yung turnover natin kay Amina Building, because and mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit. So before I start with the construction update, quick information muna about Allegra Garden Place. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay, in Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon, kung familiar kayo sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market to going to BGC, makikita niyo sa right side, merong 5 high-rise building na nandun. Ito nakikita niyo dito sa Prisma Residences, and nandun yung dalawang project natin na pre-selling, okay, and RFO, soon to RFO na si Allegra Garden Place. Okay, for this building, hanggang 56 stories siya per each building, and we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. Okay, so ito right now ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Nandito ako ngayon kay Prisma sa atrium level ako, 7th floor. So this is Pasig Boulevard. Okay, so that's Pasig Boulevard. Okay, so pagpasok mo dyan, nandyan yung gates natin. So 2 gates yan magsa-separate. The first gate is for Prisma Residences, and this one's for Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so for Allegra Garden Place, ito na yung buildings natin. So this is the first building that will be turned over. This is Amina Building. So this is hanggang 56 floors yan. And then, well, yung katabi niya, that's Soraya Building. Okay, so ito makikita po ninyo, ayan, meron ng pool. Okay na yung pool. I believe last month hindi siya ganito, diba? Napakabilis ng construction natin dito. And ito yung white area na yan, that's the elevated garden. So yun pa yung finish nila. And then doon sa baba, andun yung barbecue pits natin, and yung landscape garden. So that's a Rototapan entrance. And then yung pagpasok ng parking, ayun, andun sa side na yan, pupuntang basement 1 to 6 yan. Okay, pasok, ayun, 3 swimming pool natin, lap pool, kiddie pool, and then yung lounge pool natin. Okay, and then ayan, tahimik ngayon dahil nagpapahinga ngayon yung mga workers natin. Naka-break sila, pero mamaya tuloy-tuloy yan. Nakakita ko natutulog sila eh, pero natutulog siya eh. Ayan, break sila ngayon siya. So kita nyo, ang difference nitong si Allegra Garden Place from compared to other projects natin, kinakita nyo dito kay Prisma. So standard yung steel railing balcony natin with the standard window type aircon. Okay. Pero dito kay Allegra Garden Place, binalitan natin yung steel railing balcony natin into glass balcony. And also, nakita ninyo ang laki na ng bintana natin. So mas larger window, because to give way, tinanggal na natin yung split type aircon, yung window type aircon natin. So lahat yan may provision na po for split type air conditioning. So that's why kung mapapansin ninyo, malaki na yung bintana natin. Okay, and also mas malaki na rin yung doors natin, sliding door natin papuntang balcony area. So napakaganda. So dito po currently sa next video ko, meron tayong promo for Amina Building. Okay, so dito is 12% down payment in 36 months, okay, with 1% discount. And then dito kay Soraya, as is pa rin, plus additional bonds sa down payment per you. Okay, so standby na lang tayo sa next video ko para doon sa current sample computation natin for this project. So again, yun muna po tayo, and standby tayo sa mga next videos ko po. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ma-update po kayo, na-notify po. So for those who want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. Okay, so you may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through WhatsApp, through Facebook Messenger, nakalink din sa description down below. And also, pwede tayong mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom or pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing para sa mga local base natin dito sa Philippines. Okay? So, again, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.